Hi, in this video we are going to make a scratch card game. A scratch card game is a lottery game. On a screen an opaque visual will hide the result and the player must scrap the visual to see the result. So let's begin. Initially, press on Start New Project and give the name for this project. So I am writing Scratch Card Game App. Once you have done giving the name for this project, you have to press OK button. Now you can see the user interface where we are going to make a user interface for our mobile application. So initially for this scratch card game, we need to take a canvas. To get the canvas, you have to go to Media, to get the canvas, you have to go to Drawing and Animation. Take this canvas, drag it, place it over here and make this canvas as fill parent so it able to capture the complete screen. So then go to Properties and click on Fill Parent and press OK button, and in Width press Fill Parent and then press OK button. Now you will find canvas is just capturing the complete screen of your mobile phone. Now in this canvas we have to put the pictures of some detective. So I have already downloaded one image from internet. So let's upload that image and put it in this canvas. To upload that image, here you can see the media. Press on Upload File and then press on Choose File. So I have saved the image on my desktop. So go to Desktop and image name is detective. Select that image and press Open. Here you can see the image is already uploaded. You have to press OK. So in media, now you can find detective image is already there. Now in this canvas, let upload the detective image. So press on background and select detective and then you have to press OK button. Now you will find the image of the detective is visually over here. So why we have put this image? So whenever you open the app, by default this image will be visible. Now in this scratch card game, you can put any image whatever you want from your phone gallery. Now to do that, we have to put 3 buttons at the bottom where we can reset the screen, we can clear the screen, and one button which help you to put the image from a gallery. To do this, we have to go to Layout and select Horizontal Arrangement, drag it and place it at the bottom and make the horizontal arrangement height 10%. So write down 10 over here and press OK button, and width make it fill parent so it will capture the complete screen. Now over here I'm going to put 3 buttons. So let's go to user interface, drag your first button and place it here. As you know we are going to add 3 buttons, I'm going to rename my first button as reset. So let's rename this button as reset. So you can come here and you can write the name for your first button as reset. Once you have done writing a reset, now grab second button and place it at the bottom and write the name of this second button as clear. clear, and then press enter button. Now you will find you have already put the reset clear button. As I told you, you need one more button which help you to put the image from your gallery. Now basically that button is not like a button, but you have to select image picker. So go to media and select image picker and place it over here. Now I'm just writing this image picker, I'm renaming this image picker as image. So I'm writing as image and press enter button. You can find this image over here. Let me put it in a middle, and if you want the whole button should be in the middle of the screen, so you have to go to horizontal arrangement, make align horizontal at center and align vertical at the center. You will find all the button will be visible at the center. Now it's optional, if you want to put some color to all these buttons, you can do it. So in button 1, suppose I want it should be with a blue color, select the blue. Image picker, I want it should be with a yellow color, so you can put the yellow color, and this clear screen you can put with a red color. So this is optional, if you want to put it, you should do it. Once you have done with user interface, then we will begin with the programming. Here's one more thing. Now here's a bit confusion. This is a button 1, button 2 and image picker. So I'm renaming my button 1 because as you know, this button 1 I'm renamed is reset in a property, but even in a components, if you rename this button, then while doing a coding it will help you to find out whether your button 1 is for reset or whether button 2 is for reset. So it's better to rename it. So I'm just renaming my button 1 as button reset. So I'm writing short form. So new name button reset, press OK. You can find button reset over here. Now select the second button and rename this button also, and this button I am going to rename as button clear. Once you have done writing button clear, press OK button. Now let's move to a programming part. So you have to press blocks. Now here you can see where we in this white space we are going to write our code. So let's begin writing with the code. Initially you need this canvas block. So we are going to select canvas1 dot touched. So select this when canvas1 dot touch. That means there will be opaque screen with a white color. When you touch the canvas, you should remove that opaque screen. But initially we also have to put white color opaque. So to do that we are doing this thing. So that's why we have put when canvas1 dot touch. Inside this one we are going to again go to canvas and we will select call canvas1 dot draw circle. So here you can see draw dot circle, drag this, place it here. Now here we have to write center X, center Y. To do this we can press over here and we can get this X, then we can press here Y and set Y over here. It's asking us to put the radius. So let me select the radius 25. So to do that, go to math block and select first block and write it down 25 over here. Once you have done with when canvas1 dot touch, other thing we have to put when canvas1 dot drag. To do this you have to again go to canvas and look for canvas1 dot drag. So that is your first block. Take this block and put it in this white area, which is also known as script area. Here you have to set canvas line width. So to do that, again we will go to canvas and look for line width. Here you can see set canvas line width 2. So we will take this block, we will place it here, and width I am going to put 50. So to do that, go to math, take this block, place it here and write it down 50. Once you have done writing a 50, then we have to draw a line. To do this, again you have to go to canvas and look for canvas 1 dot draw line. It will be a purple color block. See here, draw line. So drag this, place it here. Now in this draw line, here we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So initial x and y coordinate and final x and y coordinate. So over here we will go to start x and get start x. Here we are going to put start y, and in x2 we are going to put current x and current y. Once you have done with this, then we have to write the code for our reset button and clear button. So once you open this app, what should happen? You should able to see your image, but that image is hidden with a opaque color. So to see that, we have to select the screen and take when screen 1 dot initialize, drag it here, place this block over here. Now we have other button reset. So select this button reset and put it here, and we have a clear button. So select clear button, drag the clear button and place it here. Now inside this block we have to put multiple options. So whenever you open the app in screen 1, everything should be initialized with the image, with opaque screen. When you press the reset button, it will reset the image, and when you press this clear button, it will remove the top portion of white color, that opaque color. It will remove that opaque color. Now to put here the coding, most of the time you will find same coding we are going to put even in screen 1, initialize, reset button, button clear. So it's better to make a my block, and the same single block we can place it in all these 3 options. So here let's see how we are going to make my block. So press on this procedure and select procedure and keep it here. Now I'm just going to rename this procedure as roll dice. Once you have done renaming it roll dice, after this now let's go to procedure, select the procedure, and here we are going to write initiate thing. So I'm just going to write the short form INIT, like initializing everything. So here I'm going to write a code to initialize my screen 1 also, and when we press the reset button and when we press the clear button, so everything should initialize. To do this, what I will do, I will go to my canvas 1 and I will call set canvas 1 paint color. It will be green color block. So look for canvas 1 dot paint color. Set canvas 1 dot paint color, put it here, and color you can select here and select this white color. Once you have done with selecting this, go to canvas and here you have to select purple color block which says canvas 1 dot draw circle. So take this canvas 1 dot draw circle, drag this and place it underneath to your canvas dot paint color. Now here you will find center X, center Y, radius. So in center X we have to put the value 0, even in a center Y we have to put the value 0, and in radius we are going to put the value 5000. To do this we have to go to center, we have to go to math block and select the first block and place it over here, which is by default 0. Then again go to math block, select the second block, center Y, put it 0, and a radius we have to put 5000. Go to math block, drag it and put the value 5000. Once you have done with this part of initializing, then we have to move to canvas 1 dot paint color 2 and put the hexadecimal code of RGB color which make the whole thing opaque. To do this we have to go to canvas 1, and in this canvas 1 we have to select canvas 1 dot paint color 2. Set canvas 1 dot paint color 2, add this canvas 1 dot paint color. Once you have done adding this, then we have to make color. So go to color and here you can see make color, drag this block and place it here. Now as I told you, there will be a hexadecimal code. So here we have to write a code. So I'm going to write 255, and if you have like 4-digit hexadecimal code you can add it over here, but over here I have only 3-digit hexadecimal code. So I'm writing 255 and here you can put 0. So go to math block and select 0 and place it here. Once you have done with initializing over here, now the same initialize we are going to use on screen 1, reset button and button clear. But before we go ahead, there is a one more code which we have to do it. How you are going to select the image from your gallery, and with that image how you are going to hide that image. So to do this, what we are going to do is we are going to select image picker, and here we have to select image picker dot after picking. So drag this block and place it here. Now after picking, the same thing happen whatever we have done in the beginning for initializing. So I'm going to copy paste the complete code. So Control C, Control V, add this thing over here. Same thing you want for canvas 1 dot draw color, and you need for this paint color also. Now once you have done with this, we have to put one more thing, that is canvas 1 background color, which should depend on image picker selection. Then only it will help you to or allow you to pick the image from your phone gallery. To do this, we have to go to canvas and select canvas 1 dot background image. Set canvas 1 dot background color, but we need background image. So select this image and put it in the beginning of your code. Now what image it should be? That image should be from your phone. So we have to go to image picker and we have to select image picker dot selection. So here you can see image picker dot selection. Drag this image picker dot selection and place it here. So once you have done with this, most of the thing is done. As I already told you, we are going to put this 3 block and we have to put my block over here. Now it's time to put the my block. So over here I'm going to go to procedure and I'm going to call this initializing, which we have done the coding for this. So whenever you will initialize your screen 1 or when you open your code, this thing should happen. It's going to cover your image with a opaque color, and even when you press this reset button, it's going to do the same thing. So let me copy paste and put it over here. Now in button clear, we have to call our canvas 1 clear because we just have to remove all the things from the background. To do this, we have to go to procedure, to do this we have to go to canvas and select for canvas 1 dot clear. It will be purple color block, call canvas 1 dot clear, place it here. Now you have done with your app. Now let's test your app, how actually your app will work. To do this, press on connect, press on AI companion, scan this QR code, so the whole mobile application will be visible on your phone, and let's see how this app will work. Thank you.